Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a nail art inspired from hibiscus flower. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. So here I'm starting with a base coat, and after base coat I will apply 2 coats of black nail polish on my index, middle and pinky finger nail. Now I'm going to stamp flower using this stamping plate. I don't know from which brand this stamping plate is, but it's from AliExpress and this plate is awesome. It picks up image perfectly. I will attach the purchase link in the description box. By the way, it's not sponsored by anyone. So for flower, I choose orange and pink color to match it with my actual flower from my garden. After done with flowers, I'm going to stamp leaves using same stamping plate with green and blue stamping polish. And unfortunately, I forgot to record it. I'm extremely sorry for that. On my ring finger, I have applied 2 coats of a peach polish, and on top of that, I have applied 2 different types of glitter polish. And one of them is hollow. And finally finish with a matte top coat. And here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next week.